In today's video, you are going to learn 5 Microsoft Word tips and tricks that will make you a pro and save your time. Tip number 1, find and replace. Find and replace comes in handy, especially if you wanted to change some content in your document. I have computer here, so if I wanted to change the computer to something like maybe phone, so in order to locate all the items that has computer name, I'm going to type Ctrl F on my keyboard. So once I type Ctrl F, so I'm going to write computer. This is what I wanted to search for. As you can see, it has highlighted all the text that has the word computer. So I can easily replace it with a single click. Since I'll find it, now I'm going to come to this section, then I'm going to click on replace. So I'm going to replace it with phone. So then I'm going to click on replace. So replace, then click on replace all. So then click on OK and cancel it here. So as you can see here, anywhere we have computer previously has been replaced with phone. So can you see? So that's how you can use find and replace to find and replace any of your text content in Microsoft Word. Tip number 2, word count. I have this document to explain this particular section for you. So in order to check the word count of this document, so I'm going to come to this section, then I'll click on review, then I'll click on word count. Then it's going to count the number of pages we have. It's going to count the number of words. We have 8 pages, 649 words. Then all the characters with no spaces are 3,804. Characters with spaces are 4,430. Then the paragraph in total we have 40 and we have 111 lines. So this is how you can use word count to determine the total statistics or information about your documents in Microsoft Word. Tip number 3, clear formatting. These particular tips and tricks in Microsoft Word comes in handy. Clear formatting allows you to clear the formatting and the stylings you have given to your Word document. For instance, if I wanted to clear all the formatting of this document, I'm going to highlight everything. Then I will come to this section. Then I will click on this drop down icon. Then I'm going to click on clear formatting, and the formatting will be clear. As you can see, everything has been restored back to the normal way it was before. Tip number 4, format painter. Format painter comes in handy if you wanted to speed up your workflow. It helps you to apply the same formatting or the same styling to your Word documents. So for instance, if I wanted to give this particular section the same color as the one at the top here, so in order to use the format painter, I'm going to highlight on this section that I wanted to use as a formatting style or as the model. So I will click on format painter, double click on the format painter, then I'm going to drag on it this way, then the color is going to be applied. Also, this particular section is underlined, so if I wanted to use it as the model for this one, so that I can also change this one at the bottom, so that I can also underline this one at the bottom. In order to drop the format painter tool, I'm going to click on this section again, then the format painter tool is going to be dropped. So for instance, here I have this section underlined. If I wanted to underline the second one at the bottom here, I'm going to highlight the one at the top that I wanted to use as the model. So I will come to this section, the format painter, double click on it, then I'm going to drag on it this way, then the same styling is going to be applied. As you can see, this one has been highlighted as well. Tip number 5, text to speech. The text to speech feature in Microsoft Word helps you to convert your text into speech. Especially, this comes in handy if you wanted to do a voiceover. You can use this particular method. In order to use it, you are going to come to this section, click on review, then you are going to click on read aloud. Then it's going to start reading your documents.
Executive summary. TopJaw is an innovative and dynamic technology company that aims to revolutionize the digital landscape.
So I can as well change the reading speed. Likewise, I can change the voice from Microsoft David to Zira or anyone. Let me change it to this one. So let me choose the second one. Then let me play.
In the digital age. Key highlights. TopJaw offers a comprehensive range of services.
So let me pause it. Let's try the third voice to see how the voice looks like. So now let me play it.
Including web development, mobile app development, digital marketing, and IT consulting.
So this is how you can use text to speech feature in Microsoft Word through the read aloud section. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.